In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table from Google Sheets into Google Slides. This process is super handy for those who frequently present data and need to keep their information current and connected. Let's dive in and explore how to seamlessly integrate your data by following these straightforward steps. First, open the Google Sheet that contains the table you want to transfer. Here you'll have all your necessary data properly laid out. Once you have your Google Sheet open, the next step is highlighting the table. To do this, simply click and drag your cursor across the table's cells to select it. Make sure you include all the rows and columns you wish to copy. With your table selected, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the page and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, you'll see the option to copy. Go ahead and click that. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to make the copying process quicker and easier. Now that you have copied the table, you are ready to switch gears and move over to Google Slides. Open the Google Slides presentation where you want to insert your table. If you haven't already created a new slide for your data, consider doing so to keep your presentation organized and structured. Once you're in Google Slides, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, a familiar simple shortcut that will paste the copied table onto your slide. Immediately after pasting, a small dialog box will appear, presenting you with some options. You can choose to either link the table to the spreadsheet or paste it unlinked. Here, it's recommended to link to spreadsheet. Linking will ensure that any changes you make in your Google Sheet will automatically update in your presentation, keeping your information consistent and up to date. Finally, after selecting the Link to Spreadsheet option, go ahead and click on Paste. This step secures your table on the slide just as it was in the original spreadsheet. Take a moment to check that everything looks good and is functioning as expected. If needed, adjust the size of your table. Click and drag the corners of the table box to resize it and fit your slide layout appropriately. This ensures that your data is not only clear and legible, but also neatly presented for your audience. And there you have it. A table directly transferred and linked from Google Sheets to Google Slides, allowing you to maintain dynamic and flexible presentations effortlessly. We've now reached the end of our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your workflow. Until next time, happy presenting!